Hello everyone, my witch casket arrived. But before I unbox this, I want to show you something I found. I did some cleaning up and I found these old letters. Yeah, this is how they wrote in Germany around 19 and yeah, this is 1937 and 1938. So this is how they wrote. This is called Sütterlin, and yeah, it's a bit different than now. We had the opportunity in school to learn this, and yeah, I can read this. It's hard because when you write, of course, you write fast and it's a little bit harder to read. But this is from Königsberg, which is in Poland, and my family from my mother's side, a part of that comes from Königsberg. And they had to flee when the war started, and they came to the northern of Germany, to Kiel. But this is not from some of my ancestors or relatives. I just found this in an antique store, and this was really interesting. So this is Liebe Tante, lieber Onkel, so dear aunt, dear uncle, Hildegard und Karl-Heinz. Yeah, and it's from the same guy, and I think this could be Herke. I think Herke. It's a weird name, but I think it's Herke. Yeah, I just wanted to show you this. And they wrote like all over the place. Like when there is a little bit of space, then yeah, with little arrows to show how you should read. There's another one. Yeah, I thought this is interesting, so I wanted to show you this. And now, the witch casket. Yeah, the last witch casket, I think I said it before. I filmed it twice. It didn't work out, and then I stopped. So, fingers crossed, this will work. I, again, have no idea which theme. Always the same. Okay, now I remember. It's Divination. Oh, this is a colorful print. This is something that I do not like that much, these illustrations, but we will see. This is not my favorite, but that has nothing to say about the stuff that's in here. I love the last box. All the items were great. These carving tools, candle snuffer, and yeah, something else that's not around here. So let's see. Okay, this is beautiful. I like this a lot. It's completely different. and I like it. Normally, this all fits, but this is different, and I like it. I like that it's different. Yeah, this is the monthly manifestation card. Okay. The first thing is the spell kit. Okay, this smells. Ooh, it's strong. It's Prophetic Dreams Pillow Pouch Kit. Wow. Contains all you need to encourage prophetic dreams. Oh, that's interesting. Cool. So I think we have something to sew. And it smells really good. Ooh, maybe we don't have to sew something because we can use this bag. Okay, what we have, a little scroll, just a paper. Yeah, I think to put something on. Should write something on and put in the bag. Yeah, pillow pouch kit. Okay, something to put under your pillow. I thought maybe just sewing a pillow. So we have, I guess these are amethysts. Yes, they are tiny little amethysts. We will see what this is, and a purple bag. Oh, it smells good. So you will need amethyst chips, mini scroll, purple drawstring pouch, and violet. This is violet. The smell is so strong. This doesn't smell that strong. Okay. It doesn't smell strong. Maybe something in the box is this strong smell. Okay, so here we have violet. But this is only the green part, I guess. Okay. No flowers. Oopsie. Yeah. Write your question. Okay. Write your question or something you like inside onto your mini scroll. Wait. Rate your question or something you'd like inside into on your mini scroll. Place the scroll, violet herb. Yeah, violet herb. Okay. And amethyst chips in your pouch and tie it firmly closed. Sit with your pouch to set your intention. State the following. Charm, bring me knowledge tonight. Show me answers, give insight. With awareness, I shall be blessed. Reveal the truth as I rest. Place your pouch under your pillow and see what insight comes to you in the night. Maybe that helps. I don't dream anymore. I don't know. I don't. I can't remember dreaming. But I have a hard time sleeping completely through the night. So maybe I'm never in the right state to actually dream. I don't know. Or maybe I just don't remember. Okay. What's next? Okay, there is, I think this might be the incense. I picked this. Yes, it is. And yes, this is this is the one that smells good. Okay, we have a blend of peppermint and patchouli. Yeah, peppermint. That's it. And patchouli. Okay. They pack them in these paper bags recently. I like that. Ooh, hallelujah. Ooh, yeah. Inhale that and your nose is free. This is... Maybe I... Ooh, yes. So, your nose will be free after smelling, just smelling these. That's good. So this is not only for divination, this is also for yeah, I lost it. When you have a cold and your nose is like closing up, this works perfect, I guess. So, and now, oh, this feels like wooden stuff. Oh, I like it. Oh, that's pretty. And that fits. Okay, now that I need to show you. So last month we got this one. It's a candle holder. And look, I like all these wooden items that they fit together so well. I love it. This is really pretty. Yeah, it's for your cards. That's awesome. Cool. I like it. That's pretty. Cool. Yeah. So, Intuitive Insights Oracle. A unique oracle deck created for intuitive readers to gain insight into their past, present, and future. This deck was created to be used in many ways, depending on your reading style. Ask a question, pick a card, and use your intuition to decipher the message. Use in past, present, and future readings. Include in more in-depth oracle spreads for deeper insight. Okay. Oh, I think they are in a coffin shape. Okay, that's weird. And look. What is that? The color from the print, I guess. Yes. Oh yeah. Guess this is okay. Let's see what we got. We have battles. Okay. Battles. There's the glare. Okay, let me see it here. Here we can see it. Okay. Opposition. Decisions. Temptation. Burden. Endings. Transformation. Maybe I will use them. These are good. Empathy. Deceit. Focus. Endurance. Hard work. Joy. Growth. Patience. Lesson. Love. Blessings. Tears. And betrayal. Yeah. Unfortunately, I didn't use all the other cards I received from this box. I don't know. I have my favorites and I use my favorites, and I never use something else. Especially like these kind of cards, but I think this would be something that I can include. As they said, like when you have a spread with other cards and just want to assure something or just be clear, and then you pick a card for, like, when you have a big spread for like this part, what could it be? And then you see, okay, no, this is handy for that. Yeah, maybe I will use this one finally, but it's good. I like it. Okay, the pin. Yeah. Obviously, cards. This might be a little potion bottle, small potion bottle. Yeah. Okay. A pin. Again, of course. I say it like all the time. Sometimes I don't know what to do with these, but there are probably other people who collect these guys, and yeah. So let's see. There's a little bag. What we have? Oh, it's a pendulum. It's not long ago we received the pendulum, right? So this one is a little bit different. This is pretty heavy. It's, I think it's cast iron. I think it's cast iron. It's really heavy. Okay, there's a little scratch on the black part. So let's see. Divination pendulum pendant. Hold the pendulum by the cord and allow it to settle. Ask a yes/no question that you already know the answer to and see which way the pendulum swings. That allows you to ascertain the direction of your pendulum for yes or no. Then you ask the question where the answer is unknown and see what insight the pendulum offers. This pendulum can also be used with any pendulum board or cloth or to help to find missing objects. Yes, I think we got this one and also this one. Okay. But this would be also something that I just would wear as a pendant, to be honest. I like it. It's really heavy. It's really, really heavy. Okay, then we have, another little bag with a stone. And it is, okay, what is that? It looks like a grayish dark amethyst, but I guess it is not. Do you know? Okay, let's see. Iolite? Wow. I never heard of that. This powerful stone encourages psychic awareness and intuition and can be an effective divination aid. Iolite can help with overthinking. Oh, that's good. Scattered thoughts and codependency or addiction. It is also a stone of balance, motivation, and confidence, and clear thinking. Yeah, overthinking is my whatever. I do it a lot, too much. Okay, I never heard of iolite. Did you? That's strange. That's completely new to me. Completely. I mean, the gray aventurine, I didn't know that there was gray aventurine, but aventurine, I knew that. But iolite? No. Completely new to me. Do you know this? Or did you know this? Tell me, please. Or am I the only one? So then we have, I feel the scroll, and I feel a big item. Okay, let's have the scroll first. I like this little metal ring. So what we have allomancy. Allomancy is an ancient practice of divination. Okay, using salt. Traditionally, allomancy is practiced using coarse salt crystals. What is the coarse salt crystals? There are several ways to read salt. One is to take a handful of salt, ask a question, and drop it onto a dark flat surface or tray. Gaze at the salt and notice any symbols, swirls, or patterns, and how these might relate or respond to the question posed. Another method is to throw salt crystals into the air and interpret the pattern formed as it falls to the ground. Okay. Alternatively, you can also use allomancy alongside pyromancy by casting your salt into a fire and read how the flames react, the patterns they form, the way they dance, etc. Always keep the fire safely in mind when working with fire. This is best done outdoors, keeping the fire well away from anything flammable. As with all divination, it is the best not to try to force answers, so keep your mind relaxed and open, and remember that often you will sense something more than you will see it. Yeah, that's right. Okay, that's interesting. Coarse salt crystals. I need to Google that. Yeah, it just seems to be like big chunks. Coarse. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now I know. It's just chunky. So I learned a new word. Coarse salt crystals. So chunky big pieces. Okay, now I know. Learned something new here today. Not one thing, two things. So, and the big item that is left in here is magical telling tiles with casting cloth. Okay. A unique divination tool created by Deb exclusively for Witch Casket subscribers. Take your tiles in your hand and hold them about 6 inches above the cloth. Release the tiles and read the ones which land face up. Use your intuition to decipher the messages this magical divination tool holds based on which area of the cloth your tiles come to rest. If you have a specific question you'd like insight into, ask your question, shake the tiles in the back, then pick one tile to read. Oh, let's see how ooh, they are wooden too. Cool. Okay, we have a little package. Dice. I guess this is an hourglass. Then we have a door, I would say. And this is a letter. And what is that? Is this a seed under the surface? So growth? Is it a stone that cracks something? Okay, let's see. Oh, it's weight, heavy burden. Okay, it's this way. Yeah, but it could be a seed and it sprouts. Okay, it's a heavy burden. So the dice. Take a chance. Weight, a heavy burden. Door, opportunity. Envelope is communication, a gift, new good news coming, and the timer is patience is needed. Okay, yeah, nice. And this is the cloth. Oh yeah. Oh great. Oh cool. Look at that. So this is also the back, and this is this pattern that I do not really like, but this is the inside, and it has, okay, let me, so it has relationships, spirituality, career, physical health, the self, emotional health, finance, and in the middle is life. Cool. So you have them in your hand, and now I think I can do this properly, but let's see, just for showing it. And oh, okay, so this is interesting. But we have two in the finance part, and that would be a heavy burden, and the dice, take a chance. Yeah, finance is always a heavy burden for me, but not for my husband, and he takes chances, so this represents us. Okay, this is interesting. What is it on the career side? It's new opportunities, but it's like that. That's interesting. Okay, yeah, that's cool. And yeah, I think I will use this with other like divination tools, like my runes and my also the witch's runes. But yeah, that's nice. I like wooden stuff, so this is cool. Yeah, I think this was a really nice box. Yeah, this was a really nice box indeed. I like all the wooden stuff. Wonderful. Incense, always good. Always, always, always. I learned something about a stone. This is always something that I do not need. This is interesting. The cards are interesting. And I probably will use them when I have a big reading. I will probably use this. Yes. The only thing that I do not really like is the pin. I don't need any pins. I have so many pins now. I don't need them. Yeah, and probably this one, but it has a nice shape, and this string is really long, so I can easily wear this around my neck as a pendant, and it is a nice pendant, I think. Yeah, I have to be careful because here's a chip. Yeah, so nice. Nice. I like this. This was a good box. This was a really good box. I think, to be honest, they really oomphed up their game. Yeah, I think they did that. Yeah. Sorry that I'm a little bit like this. We just came home from Hamburg. Yesterday was the Lindsey Sterling concert in Hamburg, and we slept in a hotel there because we have to drive like 2 hours, so we would like to do that at night. So we slept there, but I can't sleep anywhere else. I mean, I can't sleep at home, so somewhere else is really hard for me. So I'm a little bit tired. Can't find my words, and so that is the reason. Maybe I put a little bit of the concert from yesterday behind this, and yeah, you can see how a little bit how it was, and it was wonderful. It was really good. It was really good. Yeah, I always cry when I hear violin, so it was hard. Oh, it was really beautiful. Thank you, Stacy, for introducing me to Lindsey Sterling. Okay, I found something in the box. So there was still something in the box, and it is a divination coin. Use this uncomplicated divination tool for simple yes/no questions. Hold the coin and charge it by focusing on your question. Toss the coin and see what inside it holds. So let's see. Oh, it is heavy. Okay, yes. On. Yeah, yes, it's on. Okay, no. So this flip would be better. Okay. It's really thick and it's heavy. Okay. Ooh, yes. Okay. So I wanted to show you this. It's nice too. And I forgot about this pillow pouch kit. Also nice. So I like everything besides the pin. That's not my thing. And again, bye. Oh, which one was your favorite? And now, again, bye.